Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to create Discord server. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. Now first of all, open your Discord and log in. Then you have to go to this plus icon. As you can see, there is an option for add a server. We have to click here and then you will get this pop-up. Here you will find many templates, and if you want to use them you can go ahead, but in my case I am going to create by my own, so I just have to click here and then you will see this option where we have to select for whom we are creating this server, like for club or community or for friends. So I'll select this for my friends, and here you can name your server. So I name it as School Friends, and if you want to upload a photo you can go ahead. So I upload, let's suppose, this photo. Okay, and once you upload the photo, just hit on create, and yeah, it is that simple. Now we have created our server, but there are many things we need to set up. Like now you need to invite your friends, and how you can do that, here is an option for invite your friends. Just click here and then you will see this copy link icon. We have to hit here, and the now link is copy, and we can send this link to anybody so that they can join. But also you have to make sure your link will get expired in 7 days. But if you want your link to be stay forever, you can just tick this icon so that your link will not get expired. And now you can copy and send it to other people so that they can join your server. And also to add channel in your server, just hit right click here and you will see the option for create channel. Just here you can see the text channel, voice channel, whatever you want to create you can go ahead. I will name it as chit chat, and it is going to be a text channel, and I want this to be private or not, I can select it here. Once you've done that, just hit on create channel, and this is how you can also create the voice channel. And now it's time for to create a category. Here is an also option for create category. Here you can make your category and just hit on create category. So yeah, that's it. This is how you can create server in Discord. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.